Good afternoon to those I respect lecturer, Ma'am Eustacia Simbolon as my coordinator of practical work, and Mrs. Ranti Deviana Sihaan as my supervisor, who has guided me during the internship period. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ani Octavia Simorangkir, and my team is KP24222A. For this presentation, I want to present about my result from practical work. The title is Developing Zonaebt'S Website Interface Design with Wordpress Framework. The contents of my presentation for the first is background. Background contains about my company introduction in general, and then what my role, and then what my tasks in general. For the second is description of tasks. This part describe about all of my tasks and how the specification of tasks. For the third part is discussion and method. This part show about how I conduct the practical work and how I do all of the tasks and the method that I choose to do my practical work. And for the last is about my result with demo application. For the first part is background. I want to show about my company introduction. PT Zona Media Pembaru, or Zonaebt, is an online platform that focuses on renewable energy, environment, and technology. Zonaebt develops main service in the form of Z-News to display the news and article related to the environment and energy, the academy to provide the online class and training in relevant fields, and then Z-Zone to display the job vacancies that are open to everyone with related specification. And the last is Z-Data to display current and reliable data related to the development of renewable energy and the environment. By providing this information media and training activities, Zonaebt is committed to inviting many people to understand about the renewable energy and the environment. And how about my role? My role is front-end developer. Front-end developer to implement the website interface display using the WordPress framework with the Elementor plugin by following the standard design that has been designed by the previous design team through the Figma application. And the front-end developer team implement its component according to the given requirements. In addition, the front-end developers also fill in content on each element that is designed into a template. In working on this project, I given a model for working on the Z-News menu and article pages. These menus are related because in this application, when the user tries to click on one of the news or article menus on the Z-News, that provides further information related to the selected article or news. In addition, students become leaders in this developer internship group. Students are given the task of coordinating each member in working on the project and the meetings held. For the discussion part, for specific requirements, this work is part of company's effort to improve the overall appearance, interactivity, and accessibility of the website. The tasks carried out are related to the company's broad website development project, especially in terms of updating the appearance to be more responsive and implementing the UI/UX design. Implementation is carried out using the WordPress platform and Elementor plugin to ensure ease of management and regular content updates. And what the task? My task is the news menu that consists of two content, namely news pages and article pages. Each pages has its own sections. On the Z-News page, there is a section for the latest news, latest article, and explore all the articles. Furthermore, when one of the news article is clicked, a news page or article page will appear that display the news or article as a whole information. News and article pages consist of components such as news or article titles, authors, news or article publication dates, and then content image, related links, reference, and command color for readers. And why we use WordPress? Because we think that using Elementor that has drag and drop techniques to make a template of website page that's make it easier to maintain by the administrator without specific ability. The work is done with an agile system that prioritizing collaboration and iteration for each model given, so that each work can be quickly and changes can be accepted easily. From this requirement about, I want to tell about my methods to do all of these tasks. For the first, I as a developer try to understand the information related to the requirements on Notion application as a project management tools. And then I try to look and analyze the design guidelines from UI UX designer. And then for the second, I try to implement the result of the UI UX designer design with WordPress framework and Elementor plugin. The third is the developer team collaborates to manage media research, track change, and integrate contribution between teams on the WordPress page. Furthermore, the UI UX designer can talk to the developer team about the design changes or anything else that can that need collaborating on the UI UX and development developer. After that, after the implementation is complete, each member can report the results of their work every week in weekly meeting. In the weekly meeting, testing and adjustment will be carried out to the needs of stakeholders. If the results of work are accepted, the developer team will launch the website. And while it's not accepted, the supervisor give the duration to make an improvement. About the supervisor feedbacks. And then during the website creation process, weekly meetings are routine held to discuss the progress of the project being worked on, cycles, and feedback from the supervisor. Finally, there's a report on the result of the work after the evaluation. Then developer try to fill all the content according to the template that has been created. Then we want to documenting it. For the next discussion, this is about the use case of Zenius. You can see that there's the administrator that have activity like login, manage the news on Zenius menu that consists of show the news, create menus, create news, delete news, edit news, and for the third activity is manage the article from Zenius. In this activity consists of view article, create article, delete article, and edit article. All of the actor can view the news and view the articles, but only user can fill the form of newsletter. And what the result of my practical work? I want to show my website that consists of many Zenius. This is the whole of our website, and then this is my work on Zenius menu. On this menu, you can see the structure like this. This is the banner, and this is the slide of the articles. This is the previous articles, and then this is all of the articles that we can explore, like this. And this is the advertisement of the organization. And if we try to click one of the article like this, the website want to show the whole of information of the article. And then this is the banner, and then this is the breadcrumbs. This is the title of the articles, this is the date of publishing, and this is the author, this is the image, and all of the description. This is the related links and more information about the authors. This is the newsletter that a reader can leave a reply on this. And this is all of my presentation. I hope all of you can understand about my presentation and explanation, and thank you for the attention.